Hello, this is a quick tutorial on how to download Voice of the Void. Since no other tutorial I've seen has only shown how to download it off it.io and not how to extract it. So first off, you're going to need to search up Voice of the Void and click on the itch.io link. You'll get to this page later, so get up your Voices of the Void download page. It's going to ask you for money. I do recommend giving them some money since they are a small indie, or just one person, I don't know. No thanks. And you'll download the most recent version. Should have downloaded this, cause, right, put it in your downloads. Oh wait, hold on. And there we go. Next up, you'll see on the Voices of the Void page here, it'll be using that annoying file type of ZH, so you want to go to ZH zip, which they provide here. Now you'll download this link here. Yep. Perfect. Now wait for those to download. After you have both files downloaded, you'll need to open up this installer here. Yes. I don't think the location does matter, so you can just press install on that. It's quick, and just press close. Now, whenever you right click something, 7-zip should appear here. It's very easy. Just extract files, not extract here. That for some reason doesn't work. Pathway, make sure that's correct and everything. I don't think anything else here matters. Press OK, wait for this to go. Once that finishes up, you'll get a new file here, which you can just open up, and your Voice of the Void will be right here, just to start up. Thank you for watching. You probably won't subscribe since it's a tutorial, but please do. Yeah, that's it.